Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will upload one video about my sources. It means which sources I am following for both prelims and mains examinations and which test series I purchased for both prelims and mains examinations. For prelims, in English section, daily I attempted ADDA quizzes and mock test questions analyzation and also mini tests in PrimaCap. And second point is 120 grammar rules revision, guys. It's by Nimisha Bansalam and PDF. Third one is 5 difficult words daily revision. So this process took 1 hour for me. And next go to the reasoning section. Only mocks and PDF puzzles revisions. And in quant section same as reasoning, mocks and PDFs of DI sets. This is revision, guys. So this is prelims strategy for me. And for test series, I purchased Adda and Olive only. These two test series I purchased for prelims as well as mains examinations. And next go to the main sources. In English section, same as prelims, I will attempted daily Adda quizzes, mock test questions, analyzation, and also mini test in PrimaCap. And next go to the reasoning section. Practice 2 mains puzzles daily and also 1 mock test for mains. Quant section also same as mains DI sets practices questions. And second one is 1 mock test for mains. And foremost important topic in mains examination is general awareness section. If we will score 30 to 35 marks in this section, we will definitely crack this exam, guys. So concentration on this general awareness sections, banking and static awareness section. In this video I will show you which sources I am following. Banking, general awareness, static. For banking awareness section, I blindly follow Adda banking awareness PDFs. It consists in Adda capsules, guys. Please once search that Adda capsules and take a printout for PDF of Adda banking awareness. So and daily revision 2 to 3 definitions in this banking awareness. Once I will show that PDF print, guys. This is PDF print. It consists banking awareness part as well as first one is static part. So first one, internal ombudsman schemes and also Reserve Bank of India and its functions, and also policy rates decided by RBI. These are the topics, guys. Daily 2 to 3 topics will revision it. And next one is general awareness section. For general awareness sections, I follow FIS Cloud daily revision CA, guys, as well as fast 6 months PDF revisions. And next one is static part. In static part, same as banking part, I blindly follow Adda static part set, guys. I will show you which static part topics in this PDF. First one is awards and fields. Next one is CM, governors, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, power plants in India, and also headquarters, country capital currency, stock exchanges, Indian classical dances. These are many topics, guys. So print out these PDFs. So these are my both prelims and main strategy for upcoming exams. So please follow this strategy. You will definitely crack your exam. In one video I already told you, guys, in my Telegram channel I upload 120 grammar rules PDFs and also reasoning puzzle PDFs, quants DI sets PDFs, I'm already uploaded. So once you join the channel, you will download the PDFs and practice every day. For one more clarification, the link is available in description column. Please join my Telegram channel. And next one is in Feb month, central government released union budget for 2021. So, and for this union budget, I take a printout for iExam B through iExam B link, guys. Through this link, you will print out this union budget. It's almost cover 99% questions for this budget section. It's also very important, guys. For last SBI clerk exams, budget questions are 4 to 5 budget questions are given. So please print out this Union Budget 2020 through iExam B link. So these are my sources and also strategies for both prelims and mains examinations, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and also subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.